Hello students, today we are going to understand classification of business activities. Now, as you can see in this chart, business activities can broadly be classified into two categories. First one is industry, second one is commerce. Okay, commerce part we are going to do in the next video. Today we are going to complete with our industry portion. Now, what do you mean by industry? We have already discussed that industry creates farm utility and it includes all those activities which involves conversion of raw material into the finished goods. We have done three kinds of utility: farm utility, place utility, time utility. Place utility is created by transportation, time utility is created by warehousing, and farm utility is created by industries where raw material is converted into the finished goods. Now, industries can broadly be classified into three categories: primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. In the next one, we are going to understand all these in a in-depth manner. Now, we are going to start with the first kind of industries, that is primary industries. Now, primary industries are those industries which provides raw material to the secondary industries and they are related with collecting of raw material from the natural resources. Okay. Now, primary industries can be broadly classified again into two categories. First one is extractive industries. Second one is genetic industries. Now, extractive industries refers to those kind of industries which involves drawing or extracting something from the natural resources. Say fishing, hunting, lumbering. In fishing, we are taking out fishes from the natural resources. Lumbering, in which we are taking out logs or woods from the forest. So these kind of industries are known as extractive industries, where we are taking out something from the natural resources. Again, I am giving you example: coal mines. These are extractive industries because they are taking out or digging out coal from the mines. Coming to the next one, that is genetic industries. These are those kind of industries which are related with rearing and breeding of plants and animals. I give you an example. See, poultry farms. They are working for eggs and meat and they are rearing the hens and chicken and we can say the other animals for the milk and egg. And the same time, that can be cattle breeding, or we can say poultry farms or nurseries will be the examples of genetic industries. Okay. In the next one, we are going to understand secondary industries. Coming to the next kind of industry, that is secondary industries. Now, these are those kind of industries which are using raw materials of the goods produced by primary industries to produce the further goods. For example, cotton into the thread. Okay. Now, example is, again I am making you explaining, that is secondary industries are those industries which are using raw materials of the finished goods of primary industries to produce the further goods. These can be broadly classified into two categories: manufacturing industries and constructive industries. So first we are going to understand manufacturing industries. These are those industries which are concerned with converting of raw material into the finished goods. Say woods coming from primary industries to manufacture paper. Okay, again coming to that of cotton, which was being produced with the help of primary industries to produce thread or a cloth. This will all be coming under the case of manufacturing industries. Coming to the first kind of manufacturing industry, that is analytical. When we are processing one product in order to get several byproducts, that is known as analytical industries. I'll give you one example. When we are processing crude oil, at that time we are getting several byproducts like petrol, diesel, Vaseline. So all these will be coming under the category of analytical industries. एक प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे सिंथेसाइज करा जाता है और ऐसे प्रोसेस किया जाता है कि उसके सेवरल बाय प्रोडक्ट्स निकल के आए और हर का अपना अपना यूज है. दैट इज नोन एज योर एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. Coming to the second one, that is synthetical industries. Now here, opposite of analytical industries there. In the first one, we were segregating the first one into the several byproducts. Here, several byproducts are being combined to manufacture a single product. Example, cement. Okay, for getting a cement, we are combining several byproducts like sand, limestone, iron and whatever other material is there. So in synthetical industries, we are combining several elements to manufacture a single product. Coming to the third one, processing industries. In case of processing industries, we are just going through several stages in order to manufacture a single product. For example, I am giving you an example of sugar. First, we have to grow sugarcane, then we have to extract juice out of it, then we have to just boil it on a certain temperature, then we are getting a jaggery, then again the sugar is being manufactured, then granules are being there, then they are packed. So processing industries are being comprising of several stages to just get a manufactured or finished goods. Coming to the last one of manufacturing industry, that is assembling industries. Now, assembling industries are those industries which are just assembling the components from different parts of the country, or we can say from different countries, in order to manufacture a single good. For example, car. Suppose we are manufacturing body over here, getting glasses from Japan or getting tires from America, assembling all these products in one place and manufacturing a car. So such kind of industries are known as assembling industries. Coming to the another kind of secondary industry, that is constructive industries. Now, these industries are directly related with the industrial development of our country, and they are concerned with development of roads, dams, buildings, bridges, dams, tunnels for our country. Example, L&T constructions, DLF constructions, these all are related with that of the constructive industries. Now, we are going to understand tertiary industries. Now, the last kind of industries are tertiary industries. It does not have any classification like primary industries or secondary industries, but it plays a very important role. Now, tertiary industries are those industries which provides support to that of primary industries also and secondary industries also. That means secondary industries and primary industries cannot work without tertiary industries. Now, tertiary industries examples can be warehousing, insurance, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, ये सारी ऐसी इंपॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रीज है, इनके बिना प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्रीज और सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्रीज दे कांट वर्क एट ऑल. दैट इज व्हाई टर्शियरी इंडस्ट्रीज plays a very important role by providing support to the primary industries also and secondary industries also. We have already done examples: warehousing, insurance, transportation, communication. These all are the parts or the examples of tertiary industries. In the next video, you will find the another classification of